going to be doing a very soft but glowy summer glam. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I've started by putting my hair back just so that it's not in my face while I'm trying to do my makeup. And the first thing that I'm going to apply is this Olay Complete Defense Daily UV Moisturizing Lotion. So this has an SPF of 30%. And it's also good for sensitive skin, so I'm just going to apply that onto my face. As this is a summer glam, I need to use a little bit of sunscreen. I want to make sure I get quite a lot on my nose and forehead as well, because that's where I burn the most. So while that's setting in, I'm just going to do my eyebrows. So I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Blonde and an angled brush to fill them in. Now I'm just going to take my BWS All Day Wear Concealer and I'm just going to line my brows very softly with this product. I'm then taking this Real Techniques Domed Shadow Brush to blend that out. Just taking that spoolie brush again, I'm going to brush the brow hairs upwards. So now that my sunscreen / moisturiser has set in, I'm going to take my NARS Sheer Glow in the colour Mont Blanc, and I'm just going to apply very sheer coverage of that all over my face. So I'm only doing one pump. So you can see that this foundation has a very nice sheer glow, obviously by its name. So it just gives enough coverage for a perfect summer day. Then I'm going to go back in with that concealer. I'm going to put a slightly small amount on the back of my hand and then add a little bit of that NARS Sheer Glow, just the tiniest amount, to the concealer. And I'm going to put that over my eyes and just on any imperfections or blemishes over my face. And then I am going to contour today, but I'm doing something a little bit different, and I'm not going to be using a powder bronzer or contour. I'm actually going to be using a cream product. So the product that I'll use today will be this one right here. It is by Crown Brush Australia, and that's just the product that I'm going to use to contour my face. And to apply the product, I'm going to use this brush right here. And then as you can see, there's also a highlight shade, so I'm going to use a mix of this one and this white one over here just to highlight the high points of my face. And now that I look like a going to blend that all together. Now that I've done that, I'm actually just going to take a tiny little bit of eyeshadow from my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to take the colour Luscious and apply just the smallest amount to my lid. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that to the bridge of my nose. I'm just going to kind of use this as a highlighter all over my face actually. I think that'll look really nice. Now I'm going to apply mascara, so I'm just using this Volume Eyes one by Model Co. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to apply my lipstick. So the one that I'm using today is my Rimmel Kate Moss in number 38. Now I'm going to apply this Tanya Burr Cosmetics lip gloss, and it is called Picnic in the Park. I love that name, it's so cute. And that is the look completed. So you can see that it's very easy to achieve, super glowy, super just gentle and minimal, and seriously requires like zero effort. You don't even have to spend like a lot of time on doing this makeup look. It's super easy. So thank you so much again for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave any of your requests down below in the comments section. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already because it really supports my channel and I really appreciate you. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye!